Kangaroo. We love to learn. Let's play I Spy. Let's learn the words. Balloons. Bird. Airplane. Now let's find the airplanes, birds, and the balloons. Ready? Let's go. What do you see? You found the balloons and the bird. Nothing there. Let's keep going. Oh, nothing there. Let's keep going. You did it. You found balloons. You did it. You found the bird. Now can you find the airplanes? Great job. Here they are. You found them all. Airplane. Bird. Balloons. Great job. Kangaroo Kids. We love to learn.